The J2534 function on the GWSMART10 takes your diagnostic capability to the next level, allowing you to perform OEM-level reprogramming and advanced module flashing. Let's activate this powerful feature. How to activate the J2534 pass-through software? We can enter by selecting More, then selecting Diagnostic App Store. Then, there it is. Now we need to first add the address. Now that we have entered all the necessary address information, we can save it. Then confirm the option and enter the credit card information. We have entered all the credit card information. We can click Pay. Payment successful. Now we have successfully activated the J2534 pass-through software for this VCI box. Then we need two cables to use it. The first one is USB Type-B to Type-C cable. The second one is the DB15 to OBD2 cable. Okay, let's connect it. First, USB Type-B. Then, DB15. The order does not matter. You can connect either one first. Right. Then that's one entire piece. We need to connect the OBD2 port first. Then connect the Type-C port to the PC. Plug it into the OBD port on your car. Connect the other port of Type-C with the laptop. Locate and download the GEARWRENCH J2534 Toolbox driver from GEARWRENCH.com. Install it after downloading. Alright, now let's open GEARWRENCH J2534 software. Very soon, it shows a wired connection. Now we can see for this serial number of this VCI box, it has been successfully authorized. Then we can enter the OEM software GTS2 diagnostics and select the GEARWRENCH J2534. Press Enter to continue. Now, we can do whatever we want. The J2534 function is now active on your GWSMART10. You can now use OEM factory software directly on your tablet to perform manufacturer-level programming and module updates.